Hello, lovely moms! If you want to express more milk in less time, increase your milk supply, and avoid pain while pumping, this video is just for you. Many moms think that simply pumping more often is the solution, but the truth is that a calm mind, the right diet, and proper technique make the biggest difference. Are you wondering why your milk supply feels low, what foods help increase milk production, how to stay relaxed while pumping, or how to use a manual breast pump comfortably? Then make sure to watch till the end, because we'll cover everything step by step. A manual breast pump is a great choice because it is lightweight, easy to use anywhere, requires no batteries or electricity, is budget-friendly, and gives you full control over suction, making it perfect for new moms. It has simple parts, including a soft breast flange that fits over your breast, a pump body with a squeeze handle, a collection bottle, and a small one-way valve. Before you start, wash your hands thoroughly, ensure all parts are clean and dry, and sit in a comfortable, private place. To help increase milk supply, try to stay relaxed, drink plenty of water, eat a healthy diet including lentils, leafy greens, oats, fenugreek, cumin water, milk, and dry fruits. And make sure to get proper rest. To assemble the pump, attach the bottle to the pump body and twist it tightly until secure. Sit upright and comfortably. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take 2-3 deep breaths. Place the flange centered over your nipple to ensure a proper seal, and gently squeeze the handle in a slow, steady rhythm. The first 2 minutes are for stimulation, so if milk doesn't appear right away, don't worry, that's completely normal. Once milk starts flowing, maintain the same steady rhythm. Most moms pump for about 10-15 minutes per breast and switch sides every few minutes, but remember not to pump so hard that it causes pain, as comfort always comes first. After pumping, gently break the seal, pour the milk into storage bottles or bags, label it with the date and time, and store it in the refrigerator or freezer. To clean the pump, rinse it with cool water. Wash it with mild soap or place it on the dishwasher's top rack, and let all parts air dry completely. You're doing an amazing job, mama, and if you feel pain, notice low milk supply, or have any concerns, be sure to talk to a lactation consultant. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more mom-friendly tips. See you in the next video.